stuff that you can do at home. Now let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Stand Play with Elijah. Today we are going to be making our own lava lamp. So what you need to make your own lava lamp is a glass, water, oil, fizzes, and any color of food coloring. So the first thing that you need to do is take the oil and pour it in the empty glass to right about there. That should be good. Then you take the water and you pour the rest of the cup with water all the way to the top. Once you have filled the cup up with water and oil, you're gonna put a little bit of blue food coloring in. 2, 3, 4. 4 should be good. What do you guys think? Then you're going to open the fizzes. So now, once you have got your fizzer out, you're going to put your fizzer in the glass. Can you guys see it? Look at that! Whoa! Look at that! Isn't that cool? Comment down below if you think that's cool. You guys see it? Success! That lava lamp was absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to show you another cool thing that you can do. What you need for it: sunlight, different color food coloring, and some earbuds, and some milk. Oh, and a plate. You can't forget the plate. First, you pour your milk first into the bowl or the plate. We have a bowl that much. Then you pour your different colors of food coloring into your bowl. Last one. Then you take one of your earbuds and you put in the sunlight, and now watch the magic happen. I am the master. Doesn't that just look so cool, guys? If you want to make a cool piece of art, you can take a piece of paper and dip it into your bowl. Now, wait and let your art dry. The last thing that we are going to do is a thing to always remind you to wash your hands to protect, with soap to protect you from the coronavirus. Put some water in a bowl. Then you are going to put it's in here, but I have the paper right here. The paper that we put in is going to be the coronavirus. Now, look what happens when you don't wash your hands with soap. You see, the coronavirus just stays. But look what happens if you wash your hands with soap. First, you need to put a finger in water. Then, you put soap on it. Because you guys saw what happened when I didn't have soap on my finger. Now, watch. The coronavirus runs away. So make sure to always wash your hands with soap. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to stay safe and stay and play with Elijah. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.